Hey guys, so today I'm here in a campsite in the middle of the dark. I'm gonna do a mini review of this new light that I bought off BougeRV. I bought it from their website. It's a camping light, right? It folds up like a little cartridge. It comes in this little bag, like so. And it goes in there. So it comes in this little bag, you zip it up, and here you have a little pouch with your charging cable and some pegs, so you can peg it to the ground. So first there's an on and off switch right there. This is the main power, so your battery doesn't drain. By the way, this is a rechargeable light. Right there, it's a USB-C port, so you can charge it through that port from any outlet in your house. And this is the 4 dots. 4 lights means it's fully charged. So it tells you as you go how much power you have left. And in the top of it, you have a flashlight. There's the flashlight. So you have a flashlight. There's a little arrow button which changes your modes from flashlight to yellow light, white light, and then there's a button here for your intensity, more or less strength of light, more lumens, less lumens. So right now, I'll turn it off and open it up. Opens up like this. It's got 3 arms or 3 lights, and over here you have some reflector legs. Like so. Over here there's little holes for to peg it down onto the ground. You can peg it down. This light goes, you can extend about this much, and the light can be used up like this, or use just one, any direction you want. And it can also be hung upside down. If I collapse the legs and fold this, and this turns 360. You can hang it from anywhere, a rope or whatever you want to hang it. Anyway, so the light modes are, let me put this back. I'll bring the legs back up again. Okay. Okay, for the sake of demonstration, I'm going to leave it low. I'm not going to extend it all the way. So put this back. You can see it's dark. And there's a bonfire there. See? And turn it on. There you go. So only one light. Here's the intensity. Just one light. This is on low, this is medium, and this is high. So as you can see, just one light gives you quite a bit of light. It lights up the campsite. Now I can make it 3 lights or yellow light. I can't see what I'm doing here. Okay, these are different modes. Yellow light, bright light, no lights. There you go, 3 lights. And different intensity. The brightest. This lights up like almost daylight, everything. See, you can see the tent. Everything's bright. If you want some mood light, you can have yellow light. This is more like what you have in your house on a lamp or a bedside. So if you want to save some power, just use only one on high, and that should give you enough light for whatever you want to do. It will give you a lot more hours of usage between charges. Later on, I'm going to find information and I'm going to add to this video all the correct specifications. So yeah, there you have it.